Greenland's premier has made his thoughts clear on discussions surrounding his nation's potential takeover by the US. Jens Frederik Nielsen believes Greenland's sovereignty is a red line that cannot be crossed. That's in an indirect message to President Donald Trump.
Sovereignty is a red line. Our integrity and our borders and international law is definitely a red line that we don't want anyone to cross, and I don't think that is strange at all.
The Prime Minister says the discussions about an American takeover have been inappropriate and concerning to his people.
We want a respectful and peaceful relationship and a strong partnership as an ally. The rhetoric we have heard the last year is unacceptable for us. It is talking about acquiring Greenland. Try to imagine how it is as Greenlanders, as people here, peaceful people in Greenland, to hear and see in the media every day that somebody wants to take your freedom.